Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you see a little bit of the flickers here, it's not because it is flickering, but it's because of the camera. So first, what you guys want to do is, if your screen is flickering, then go over and adjust your brightness in the settings. So go to settings, then display. And here, make sure that you select the brightness manually. So just grab the slider and slide it. Check which brightness actually makes your phone screen flicker. And make sure to disable adaptive brightness, because it will basically adjust the brightness automatically, and we do not want that. Now, what you guys want to do is, if it's still flickering, go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store, search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Here we want to click on the first app right here and click install. It's only 1.5 megabytes, so it will install instantly. Let's click open, and here let's grant the first permission, which is the change system settings to adjust brightness, and accessibility settings to make sure that whenever we change our overlay or just enable a keyboard, it works. So click allow here. Now let's leave the accessibility settings, and the last, grant permission to notifications. So the notifications basically look like this. You can change it right here also, and here you guys can adjust your brightness. So yeah, now what you guys want to do is, if you don't want to use this, simply tap here to disable the service, and after that make sure to lower your brightness a bit. And last, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So go over to the settings. Now in the settings, scroll down until you guys see software update and click download and install. Now, as you guys can see, I do have the latest update. I just have to restart my phone by tapping here. And as you guys can see, this is how you guys can update your software. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.